Kimmi, Healthy Life with Kimmi. I'm at the park walking in the dark. We decided to get our walk in. We had a long day, but we still decided nothing stopping that walk. It's actually a lot of people here. Let me show you. See all the cars and people over there on blankets. They head now. There's a bunch of young people up here. So whenever I see a whole bunch of young people, I just get nervous because they had like sports cars. So I know if they was gonna be trying to do that spinning stuff. I don't recommend walking out here by yourself at night. Let me tell y'all what's up though. So Jeff was upset with me because I'm jumping at the frogs. There's a lake out here and I'm jumping at the frogs and screaming. He said, they gonna think I'm doing something to you. So just be careful. How was your day? But we try to get our walk in no matter what. So this is the main street. There go Jeff. Wave hi, Jeffrey. Just wave. Okay, so we try to get it where we can, y'all. What's the craziest thing you guys ever did for exercise? This ain't crazy, but what's one of the crazier things you guys have did that's fun? Because y'all know I love walking. Now my niece today told me my stomach is not gonna go down until we join the gym. Jeff already have a membership. It's a car over there. Until we actively go to the gym and do stomach crunches. I disagree. I think the weight's gonna come off when it come off. My stomach is going down. Now I don't have a six pack, but let me see. I was trying to show y'all, but it is going down. So out here at night, getting my walk on. If you got a partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, friend, it is people out here now. It's 8:30 at night, so there are people here. So, but still stay on the beaten path. Don't walk in the park. We walk by the playground. See the cars? Yeah, they getting out of here. You know what they said? The freaks come out at night. Freaks come out at night. So anyway, y'all gonna make me start singing. So I gotta get ready to get out of here. Yeah. But anyway, I just want you to see, no matter what, because my niece came over for dinner. She said, Auntie, y'all still do y'all walk? I said, yeah, we still do it. I said, we wait on you to get out of here so we can go now. All right, so just be safe. Walk in twos, stay on the beaten path. Watch out for frogs. Don't walk by the lake because there are snakes. Y'all like my rhyme? Don't walk by the lake because you might see a snake. All right, I'm just being silly now, y'all. Okay, bye. Until next time, Healthy Life with Kimmi at the park. My walk on, no matter what. One day we'll get him on the camera. Like, he's gonna love being on it, okay? One day. So we end up doing, we started at 8:06. It's 8:25, so we did 20 minutes. All right, it's so cute. It's a young girl out here with her dad playing ball. Today is actually the 4th anniversary of my dad's death. I write it down on a calendar, not like I need to. I would remember, but I just put it on the calendar. I wasn't super sad today. I was, of course, thinking about it. Every year it does get a little easier. Every day it does get a little bit easier, but you know, I hope to see him again. So anyway, I'm gonna go, and I'm happy that I had my dad as long as I did. You know, some people never had a father or never knew their father. So it is what it is. But every time I see me, I see him and my mom, because they did a great job, if I must say so myself. All the crazy I got, all the good I got, is because of them. Hey y'all, so Jeffrey just told me that there were bats at the park too. And I said, why you didn't tell me that? He didn't want me to get scared. So I wanted to tell you another thing to be cautious about at night if you're walking at the park are bats. Okay, who would have thought? I didn't even think to look up. And he knows I will get scary. So short version, we went on a trip one time, and I'm a little afraid of lizards. I'm scared of everything. Y'all already know this. I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared of lizards. And you darn sure know your girl's scared of bats. The light went off in the car because we just pulled in. So anyway, yeah, so we were on this trip, and there were lizards everywhere. So we were out at night on the beach, and I'm trying to be romantic. I said, hey, Jeff, let's go for a walk. He was like, no, no, no. And I was like, oh, he being an old fuddy-duddy. He don't want to walk. But he had already saw the night before a bunch of lizards up on the canopy where we were in the hotel, you know. And he didn't tell me. So I was like, why you don't want to go walk? So then finally he didn't say anything. I just happened to look up, and I said, oh my God, all these lizards, okay? So anyway, so I'm scared of lizards. So we did all this stuff running from the lizards, and we ended up changing our hotel and everything. Everywhere we went, there were lizards. We were in the Caribbean. This was like 2008. We used our Obama money and took this trip. Yeah, that was my crazy days. So we took that Obama money and went and did the trip. So anyway, we was in the Caribbean. So we moved hotels and everything. Get to another location, and guess what we see, y'all? Lizards. So he thought he saw one in the room. I thought I saw one, but they were everywhere. So he know I'm scared. I jump at everything. I was jumping one day. We was at my mama's house, and it was a bunch of frogs in her area because it was a pond near her. So it would be frogs. So one day, me and my sister was leaving my mother's house, and I jumped up, came down on my leg the wrong way, and you know I had to end up in the ER. I called Jeff. I was like, I'm in the ER. He was like, the what? You supposed to be at your mama's house. I said, yeah, I saw some frogs, and I started jumping. So I jumped up all this weight, y'all, because I was I've lost 27. I probably was a little bit bigger. Let's say I might have been another 35 heavier. I jumped up, all that weight came down on my leg, and it put like a sprung in the muscle. So I was laid up for about 4 weeks with that because I couldn't walk on. I couldn't put no weight on it. They wanted me to walk on crutches. I couldn't walk on crutches. So all that being said, y'all, bats are out at night. I just told y'all the freaks come out at night. Not the human kind, the animal kind. So you got your frogs, you got bats, and then you got the humans on top of everything else. So just be cautious. Again, I don't walk at night by myself. I'm definitely not recommending that you do it. But I just thought I had to come back and share that with y'all because he wouldn't even tell me that it was bats out there. All right. Well, until next time, guys. Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.